Hello everyone. Today I'll be preparing one of the tasty and healthy recipe, that is cabbage paratha or gobi paratha. It's very simple to make with very few ingredients. So let's begin our video to prepare the parathas. Firstly, take around 2 cups of wheat flour in a big bowl. Add around half teaspoon of salt to it. Then mix it well. Then gradually add the water to it. Again mix it well to prepare a soft and nice dough. Keep on mixing the water according to the requirement, little by little, gradually. Nicely mix it and prepare a nice soft dough. So here our dough is prepared. So once the dough gets all well combined, apply few drops of oil to it, around a half teaspoon. Coat the dough nicely with the oil and let's keep it to rest for around 20 to 25 minutes. Now by the time we'll prepare the stuffing. For that I have cut the cabbage into some medium sized pieces, and here I am using the mini hand chopper to make the finely shred the cabbage. I find this mini hand chopper very helpful here, and it makes my work very easy. You can also use food processor to it, or you can even shred the cabbage. You can grate it to the nicely to make it a small pieces. So here our cabbage got ready. So this finely chopped cabbage, let us put it in a bowl, and similar manner let's make all our cabbage in the same way. Once this is done, now our cabbage is ready. So let's start preparing our stuffing. To prepare the stuffing, now heat a pan. To that pan add around 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the pan is nice, oil is hot, add around a half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds splatter, add around 1/4 teaspoon of carom seeds, turmeric powder, and some curry leaves. And now let's add all the cabbage. This is around 4 cups of cabbage approximately. My recipe will yield around 10 parathas easily. So now add the required amount of salt to it according to your taste. Adding salt makes cooking easier and faster. Give it a nice mix. Make the flame to medium high and cover it and let it cook for around 3 to 4 minutes. Give a stir in the middle. Then once our cabbage is nicely cooked, now let's add the other spices needed. Around 2 teaspoons of chili powder, and around 1 spoon of coriander powder, and 1 spoon of garam masala. Garam masala really gives nice flavor, so give it a nice mix. Mix everything very well, and after few seconds turn off the heat and let it cool for around 10 to 15 minutes. Now once our stuffing is cooled and we have the dough ready, let's start preparing the parathas. For that, take around small ball size of dough and use some dry flour. Roll the paratha initially for small puri kind of size. Then add around 2 spoons of stuffing to it. You can see the stuffing looks really so yummy and tastes yummy and good. So now cover all the stuffing nicely with the dough. Tuck it very well so that the stuffing should not come outside, and slightly roll it in your hand. Then use some dry flour. Let us roll the dough now using the rolling pin gently. Roll the parathas very gently. Do not put large pressure on it. Apply some dry flour in the middle and let the parathas be little bit thick. I prefer medium thick parathas. See, once our paratha is rolled out very nice, let us heat a pan. When the pan gets nice and hot, put the paratha on the pan, and after around 30 seconds, flip the paratha, and now you can turn the flame to high. Cook it well on both the sides. Apply some oil on both the sides of paratha. You can use desi ghee also here. So once the paratha is nicely cooked, you can also see the brown spots, and press the paratha around the sides, edges, so that it gets cooked evenly. And yeah, that's it. Now our parathas are all ready to serve. Okay. You can serve these parathas with curd or any raita or any pickle. So yeah, this is our parathas, simple and easy parathas ready. Thank you for watching, and do try and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.